The experience has been exceptional working with Interaction. They are detailed, they are dynamic, and there's been a step-by-step process along the way. They have everything down to a T, and we'd love to work with them again. Hi, I'm Gary James, Marketing Lead at Foundry, a fast-growing co-working space across the UK. What made us look for an office designer and fit-out company? We have lots of options for growing Foundry in different locations, and we were looking for a partner who could grow with us and take the load away from the internal team doing all of the work all of the time. We're looking for a partner who could really get on board with our brand, understand it, and help the fit-out process and design.
Hi everyone, my name is Pamela D'Alessandro. I'm a creative lead with Interaction. The brief for this specific space in Foundry, the space plan is probably at the heart of it, to hit a set target metric for them to make the space profitable. The key elements of the design here at Foundry were obviously creating a space for community, a space that fostered collaboration, sharing of ideas, and a space that draws you in. Sustainability was another layer that we wanted to bring into the space. Obviously, we're building co-working spaces for community. How does that reflect to the outside world? The materiality and the finishes within the space was linked to the design concept, community research behind the area in Wandsworth, so pulling again local artistry within some of the finishing touches, bringing in biophilia, bringing in warmth with some of the timbers, bringing in subtle pops of color, but again, that are reflected from the surrounding area.
The most valuable part of working with Interaction has been the speed and the scale that they can do things. Previous Foundry locations, we were running around like headless chickens, picking things at last minute in regards to the design and the aesthetic, and all of that was thought through. There was a process to it, and we didn't have to do as much running around like headless chickens on opening as we usually did, and that was amazing for everyone on the Foundry team. One of the many benefits of working with Interaction for us was the ability to communicate so effectively. Everything was adaptable, changeable, and ultimately they felt like an extension of the Foundry team and not two separate companies.
Hi, I'm Sam Perry, I'm Contracts Manager at Interaction. My role within the Foundry project was to take the design and deliver on site. This involves understanding the scheme in absolute detail right from the beginning. Everything was done from scratch. When we took on the project, although our contract completion date was the 4th of October, we had always said from the beginning that we would target getting it finished by the 30th of September. This is so that Foundry could take ownership and occupy the space from the 1st of October. And they took it on from the 1st of October, which is exactly what they wanted, and everyone was happy.
So I think walking through the space now, I think the key emotion that I feel is rewarded, only because you can pull up a visual that we did when we very first pitched the job and put it up to an image of the space now, and what we pitched is what's actually here.
The onboarding process was great and flexible for our future members and our current members that we have here. The space is bold and impactful when you come in. It's beautifully designed, there's beautiful lighting that really sets the tone and the mood of the space that we're trying to curate here. We love that, and the members who come in love that. They get a warm welcome, and then it feels almost special and magical taking them upstairs into this wraparound space with lots of different features. The results are fantastic. I'd recommend everyone come and check it out. It's a beautiful product. We have people walk in every day and fall in love with the space. It's absolutely fantastic.